Number 11, big division problem here. Well, remember, we're going to change this to multiplication and flip these guys. We got a lot of factoring to do here. So let's start with this guy. What two binomials multiply together to give us this trinomial? For 10, well, what multiplies together to give you 10? 1 and 10, would that add to give you 7? No. 2 times 5 is 10 and adds to give me the 7. So I know he was an x plus 2 times an x plus 5. That should be second nature to us at this point. With the 4, 1 times 4, 2 times 2, what's going to add to give me the 5? The 1 and the 4. So this breaks down to an x plus 1, x plus 4. This division changes the multiplication. The top here is going to be this guy. So what multiplies together to give us 7? 1 and 7, that's it, because it's prime. Yeah, and that'll add to give me 8. So this is an x plus 1, x plus 7. Now this guy that's on top's got to come to the bottom. Ooh, 14, a little bit more of a challenge. 1 and 14, 2 and 7. Nope, doesn't look like it. 2 and 7. Not a challenge at all, is it? It's all piece of cake. So who's going away? Well, let's see. Do you see anybody? First thing I see is I see this x plus 1 here, x plus 1 here. I see an x plus 2 and x plus 2. But then I also notice this, hey, an x and a 7, x plus 7 there. So what do we end up with? On top, I just have an x plus 5, and on the bottom, just an x plus 4. And that's going to be our final answer. All that, you plug in, let's say 8, or let's say 10, make life easy. If I plugged in 10 and tried to do that, it'll just give you 10 plus 5, 15 over 10 plus 4, 14. 15 14s will be the answer. Way easier to plug in here than up here. Now, I did, as I've told you, we're not going to worry about the exclusions of what x can't be. We've already dealt with that before. We're not going to worry about it here. We're just trying to do our best to get to that answer. That'll make me happy enough.